Boyi Neckwear and Weaving Company Limited is located in Shengzhou City, Zhejiang Province. We are a professional manufacturer specialized in making garment, neckwear accessories, and woven fabrics. Boyi integrates product, creativity, design, R&D, manufacture in one body. Our main products lines include neckties, woven jacquard fabrics, garments, scarves, pocket square, waistcoats, bow ties, suspenders, and other accessories. After more than 10 years development, we gradually leading into a unique and high-grade enterprise and become a company with high satisfaction in line of custom-made design products. We have advanced big electronic jacquard machines, modern looms and accessories production line. We have developed thousands of customized logo designs since year 2000. From year 2013 to 2018, we passed assessment of BV, Intertech, SGS, and BSCI. We possess a reliable and experienced characteristic and get high reputation from our customers for our honest and responsibility. Meanwhile, because we never stop the pursuit of perfect quality and comply with customer-first concept, Boyi brand and products wins long-term trust and follow among buyers. Greatest and fastest service is our mission and pursue. High and strict quality is our obligation. To focus on custom-made accessories is our advantages. In the coming future, we will certainly soar more stably, fast, and highly in the top-grade fabrics and accessories market.
Make every piece excellence. Make customer satisfied. Better body, better life. Our vision to become outstanding manufacturer for customer creative neckwear accessory in China. We served over 3,000 companies in the world for customer necktie and scarf. Welcome you to Boyi.